Hi, today I'm sharing an important update about our cost of goods page. Here's what changes and why. Firstly, quantity break is now bundle cost. Quantity break help you apply supplier discounts when customer buy multiple units. In the old version, the settings were hidden in the small icon buttons, so it was easy to miss. And the third mark were based on the cost per unit. And here is how it's work. Buy 1 unit at $9. The cost per unit is $9. For 2 units at a total of $15. You divide 15 by 2, so $7.5 per unit. If they buy 3 units for $20, you divide 20 by 3. That's $6.66 per unit. This approach makes sure the bundle cost is 100% accurate, but the trade-off, you are stuck doing math every time. Because supplier prices is usually given as a total bundle price, not cost per unit. So the format often didn't match what TrueProfit required. In the new version, you only need to enter the quantity and total cost for each tier, exactly as your supplier provided, and your data will still stay accurate. Very easy, right? You set a product level bundle cost is automatically to apply to all variants. But if you need two different costs for a specific variant, just click to variant level to set the bundle cost. Second, historical COGS are no longer available. Historical COGS used to let you set different costs for different day range, so you could reflect supplier cost change over time. It was often used with quantity break. For example, your supplier might sell a 4 bag for $20 last month, but then it changed to $24 this month. So you set one cost for order before the change and a new cost after it. The reason we supported this in the old version is because it gave you a very detailed control, especially if your costs change often. But the trade-off was complexity. Historical at both product and variant level. That made the setup experience manual and harder to manage the cost. While only about 3% of users use that feature. Now we use one COGS value, your latest cost, so the setup is faster and you don't have to manage multiple costs period. Whenever you update and save your product COGS, for example, the latest cost value is applied to all orders in the order report. For those who want to keep the historical COGS results in your report, please export all of your orders from all periods. Then it's imported back into the order report. This will keep your COGS data intact no matter what change you make afterward. Third, handling fee is being removed. Previously, we included handling fee column so you could add an extra per product processing cost. The reason it existed is because some merchants need that extra cost to reflect their real unit economics. But the trade-off was a heavier, more cluttered COGS base that took longer to scan and manage. And only 5% of TrueProfit users actually use it. So we remove it to keep the COGS page cleaner and help you to focus on the core of the cost setup. And if you still need to track handling fee, you can do it with custom cost feature. For example, you add $2 as a handling fee. Or you can roll it directly into your cost of goods. For example, the gift card with $22 plus $2 is $24. That's already included the handling fee. Next, no more Recalculate button. Previously, any update required clicking the Recalculate button. But now, simply update COGS, hit save, and we automatically update other COGS faster with fewer things to remember. For example, next, set to level toggle is removed. In the old versions, set to level was designed to switch between applying one COGS value for the whole product or setting different COGS per variant. For example, switching to product level when every variant had the same cost. But in reality, many users read it like an on-off switch to enable COGS fields, so it's created confusion. Next, no need to change the COGS rows manually. In the old versions, we show a cart column because the COGS could come from Shopify integrations platform or manual input, and you had to switch the sort before you could edit. That added extra step. For example, if your COGS was coming from Shopify, you wanted to edit it, you first had to change the source from manual. Then you could edit it. Now we removed the cart source column. If you want to update the COGS, you just simply click Edit and say, no need to change the source manually. The TrueProfit will automatically switch the source for you, and we show the icons so you can still clearly see where the cost is coming from, easier and more automatic. Last but not least, no more import, export, and bulk actions. In the old versions, we offer COGS, import, export, and bulk actions like editing COGS or changing source for multiple products at once for advanced workflows. But only a small number of merchants use them, and they make the COGS page heavier and more crowded. So for now, we are remove these tools to keep the page clean and easier to use. We'll monitor feedback closely, so if you really need import, export, or bulk action, please let us know that. If we see strong demand, we will bring them back in a clearer and more user-friendly way. Thanks for watching, and if you really need to help with the update, we're here for you.